Hey guys, we'll get a little echo. This is Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw. And I'm in my new building. It's been a long day and I just kind of want to sit down and talk with you. And actually I'm going to come grab the camera and I'm going to do a little walk around the showroom so you can see the progress is happening. The counters are starting to go in. We got a lot of lighting. It's just starting to look good. So I just want to peek and show you real quick in the middle of the mess. Sorry about the echo. All right. So we've got counter, our parts room is back there, coming around, more counter over there. That corner behind the man lifts, that'll be where the steel is at. Nice roll up overhead door. All glass there, that'll be our main entrance door. And, sorry, that's a blank wall. I think that's where Husqvarna is going to go. We'll see. Honda, maybe. What? Speaking of Honda, what is that box all about? Ha ha ha! Check it out. We got to shout at this. We are one of the first in the nation to get the brand new Honda EU3200i. Guys, Honda has done it again. They've upped the game. This is a 3200 watt generator inverter. And we're going to open it up today and take a quick peek. I am super excited. So, did you see how easily I picked this up? This is a 3200 watt generator. It comes in under 60 pounds. Under 60 pounds? What? A 3200 watt generator, under 60 pounds, fuel injected. Fuel injected? Now that's tricky. Again, 3200 watts, under 60 pounds, fuel injected, almost 9 hours of runtime. And guess what? It will start the AC when you go camping. That's what we've been wanting. That's what we've been waiting for. And that's what's here, the Honda EU3200i. Here we go. Let's take off the protective lid. Oh man. Made in Japan by Honda. I know, you want to see it. I need to get my table ready. And here it is. What do we think? Ooh, a little more black. I like that. That's kind of sexy. So we got Honda. This is going to be access to our spark plug. I'm spitballing here, guys. I have not seen one of these yet myself. My fuel tank, again, I think it's 1.4 gallons. So about a 9-hour runtime on a quarter load. That'll get you through the night when you're camping. And that's what you want. We got our 3-prong outlet, our standard household outlets. It's got the co-minder, so it's going to shut down if we get a carbon monoxide, right? It's monoxide, not dioxide. On off, again, no choke anywhere because it's fuel injected. And we got the eco throttle. And it connects to Bluetooth, so I can actually shut this thing off from my phone. That's pretty slick. Okay, there it is. The Honda EU3200i. Brand new unboxing in our brand new building here in Ferndale, Washington. Hey, stay tuned. I'm going to quickly record a first start of this video. Check it out. First of all, I'm going to pull off this no oil in engine tag. I have one screw on the recoil side face that I'm going to pull out, and that should access our oil dipstick or fill tube. A little different than the EU22 or EU2s or EU1s, right? You're used to maybe seeing that and you take a screw loose up top and you fold it down. Okay, so let's take that. I like the black and red. It's a really good look. I've got my Honda 1030 oil right here. Do not spill on this floor. You know what? We're going to be super safe. I don't want to put the first oil stain on this concrete. So we're going to put that there. Take out the dipstick. So this is made in Japan by Honda. Okay, I've got my fancy nozzle. I love this fill tube nozzle. You can just pinch it off, so when it's coming out and you want to stop, you just pinch it off and remove the bottle. Kind of handy like that. Although this one's not threatening. There we go. I hit the sweet spot. Okay. I'm guessing probably in the 15, 16 ounce. You know, a wise person would have read the book. But I was so excited. There we go. Actually, I'm coming in at 12 ounces right there. Okay, 12 ounces. Now, there probably was a little bit in from the factory. Okay, we're going to set this off to the side on this rag so I don't spill, like I said. Let's put this dipstick back in. And a couple of years ago, they went to a larger fill tube or fill tube, we'll call it that. Much easier to get oil into it, and then also they built a drain in. So once this thing is due for an oil change, just whoop, tip it, it drains right out. Let's put this cover back on. You know what? Let's take a peek at this real quick. We got an air filter under here. So 2 tabs click up, and off comes this. You know, it is amazing what Honda thinks about for noise canceling. So let me come a little closer. Just the way this whole baffling system and intake system works, it makes it quiet. It's not just a matter of, you know, it's a quiet engine or a large muffler. Here, we're going to get a little bit closer. There we go. How's that work? Can you see that? So we've got oil in. We've got, this looks to be a pretty common Honda air filter. Yes, now, some people would look at this and say, oh, that's the air filter off of the GCV 160 engine. I use that on my HRR or HRX Honda mower. False, it is not. So do not interchange. This is a different filter. Similar, but the material is different. So don't put this in your lawnmower, and don't put the lawnmower one in your generator. Okay? Just a tip. I must have been there once and done that. Let's put this protective cover back on. And this goes like so. This boot facing down. Nice quick clips, super easy there. And this side cover back on. Got our cooling vents here on the side, or some of the cooling vents. Our recoil starter on the side. I'm so excited that we have a less than 60-pound generator that's putting out 3,200 watts. Okay, there we go. And I have here my Aspen fuel. You know, on a generator, I always recommend when you don't know when it's going to be ran next, that you run a good gas. Big fan of Aspen. This is a multi-year shelf life fuel, super clean burning, starts, stores. It's just worth it when you're hibernating your generator. If you're someone who uses this all the time, you're probably okay. For sure, go ethanol free though. A little different fuel cap for Honda. Nice, easy to grab. I like that. Let's get some fuel in here. Try not to spill. I should have brought a funnel. I just pulled everything over from next door at the shop. So it's a 1.4 gallon capacity on the fuel. We put just a little bit in there, hopefully enough to fire it up. Let's put the cap back on. So what do we need to do to start it? There's an on-off switch right here on the front. Can you see that? I think so. Got your on-off switch right here on the front. And I'm going to put the eco throttle off, I think. Oh, you know what? It's not like an EU3200. You can't turn it on and off. It's basically on. So you have a reset that you do. So right now, I don't have to do anything. No choking. It's fuel injected. Wow, look at the front of this. There's a fuel gauge on there. I'm going to fire this up, and I hope this thing doesn't let me down. It's going to be interesting. So first pull. 1, 2. Okay, 3 pulls out of the box. I can accept that. Okay, I can override it, so I just overrid the eco throttle. So right now it's running full speed. I know I'm talking fairly loud, but it's not bad. Let it drop down. This is sweet. So we have a fuel gauge lit up here on the side. We're indicating that it's putting out power. We've got a service alert, something read the owner's manual, as well as that it is in eco mode. I bet if I push this button, yeah, that goes off. Okay, and then the Bluetooth thing was flashing because it was wanting me to pair my phone. Well, my phone's right there recording this video. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.